Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. I am your host, Bill Miller. I'm very excited today because this is part 3 of an unboxing of CGC graded comics that we picked up in auction long ago. The box has been opened, but I still haven't looked inside, so I don't know what's in there. As a matter of fact, you will get to find out before I do, because I will show them in such a way as to make sure that you get to lay your eyes upon them first. So with no further ado, let's get to showing and telling. All right. And we have, boom, Moon Knight. Fantastic. This is Moon Knight number 14, Marvel Comics, December of 1981. Doug Monk's story, Bill Sienkiewicz cover and art. This is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. I do indeed collect Moon Knight. And on the back, we have the Lego Challenge series with heavy equipment. So Moon Knight number 14. All right. Boom. We've got another Moon Knight. This is Moon Knight number 11. Marvel Comics, September of 1981. Doug Monk's story, Bill Sienkiewicz cover and art. This is a CGC 9.6 with off-white to white pages. And on the back, we can earn prizes or cash. I want to tell you what the prizes are, but I'm going to have some self-control. Moon Knight, number 11. Oh, we've got another one. This is also a 9.6 with off-white to white pages. Moon Knight number 11, and I think this is the universe's way of saying that I should tell you what some of these prizes are. We've got a Quiz Whiz computer answer game, an electronic Space Invader handheld video game, a Skin Diver, calendar watch, a Revell F-14A Tomcat model, and a Star Wars talking alarm clock with CP3O and R2-D2 on it. So very cool. All those wonderful prizes. Moon Knight number 11. And here we are. All right. We got Moon Knight number 10. Marvel Comics, August of 1981. Doug Monk's story, Bill Sienkiewicz cover and art. And this is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. And for any of these that I don't have, they will be staying with me. Otherwise, I will sell them at some point. On the back, we have an advertisement for Johnson Smith Company. Talk about a fake name. So Moon Knight number 10. I think this might be all Moon Knight. We'll see. There's another one. Moon Knight number 6, Marvel Comics, April of 1981. Doug Monk's story, Bill Sienkiewicz and Klaus Janson art. Earl Norem cover. This is a CGC 9.6 with off-white to white pages. Earl Norem, one of my favorite Savage Sword of Conan cover artists. And on the back, we have a monogram model of a big rig. So Moon Knight number 6. All right, next. Oh, what do you know? We've got a second one. This one also a 9.6 and also with off-white to white pages. All right, 3 more. And bam. Goodness gracious. Also number 6. This one is a CGC 9.4 with off-white to white pages. All right, 2 more. And boom. All right. This is Moon Knight number 3, Marvel Comics, January of 1981, first appearance of Midnight Man. Doug Monk's story, Bill Sienkiewicz cover and art. This is a CGC 9.6 with off-white to white pages. And on the back, we've got the Lego Expert Builder series with the chassis. So Moon Knight number 3. And lastly, by gosh, we've got the same one. Moon Knight number 3. This one is a CGC 9.4 with off-white to white pages. And that will do it for the graded comics that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. I definitely enjoyed showing them to you. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get alerted as soon as I release new content. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.